If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in The Sims 4, this guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to resolve common problems. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or intermittent connection can cause multiplayer issues. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. Step 2. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Check for updates through your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify game files. If your game files are corrupted, it can lead to multiplayer problems. Use the game launcher to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any missing or damaged files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block The Sims 4 from accessing the internet. Check your firewall settings and add The Sims 4 as an exception. Similarly, ensure that your antivirus software is not interfering with the game. Step 5. Restart your device. If all else fails, try restarting your computer or gaming console. A simple reboot can often resolve connectivity issues and refresh your system, allowing for a better multiplayer experience. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your multiplayer experience in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to community forums or support for further assistance. Happy gaming!